Happy Christmas. Obviously, this is the time of the year where I get a chance to just reflect a little bit on everything that we've done in 2023 and to say thank you. Firstly, to Will for an amazing job again this year in terms of being the other half of everything that is the John O. Buchanan Music YouTube channel. Together, I'm really proud of the work that we've done this year, the music theory course in the summer, our weekly Wednesday episodes, and of course, more recently, the shorts videos as well, which hopefully you're enjoying too. But mostly really what I wanted to do is to take this opportunity to say thank you to you guys, all of the questions that come through, the positive comments. As I said a year ago, the community around this channel is something I'm incredibly proud of, and you should be proud of it too, because you are that community. So thank you so much. We've got amazing things planned for 2024, and we'll get to all of that in January. But in the meantime, have a peaceful and wonderful Christmas, and we very much look forward to seeing you next year for some really exciting stuff. So happy Christmas. Thanks very much indeed.